guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert your socks into a mask. So this is my new mask, and as you can see, it resembles my romper. Yeah, so this part is going to be on your nose, and this other part that you cut is going to go like under your chin. So as you can see, it looks like my outfit, and I really love it. So many DIYs on this on YouTube, and I decided to share with you, but I really won't advise you to wear this when you're going outside because socks is sweater, and it's not like this one is not cotton, it's sweater, so it's not going to prevent you from, like, maybe it just might prevent you from the dust, but not anything more than that. Because it's sweater, it has like big pores. As you can see, the pores are very big. Yeah, it really has big pores. So for these socks, like, I want to advise you to use it as mask. You can just use it and wear like this, the way I'm doing, just for maybe an Instagram pic, or just, you know, for fun. So personally, I just made it for fun, like just for an Instagram pic, because I just wanted like something that will match with my outfit. And as you can see, it really matches with my outfit. Someone can think like it's a two-piece. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.